Okay, where's where's Steve?
He's down that field right there.
Steve, you ready?
So far.
Okay, let's go. Oh, can somebody run a timer? So we get this. You got a timer? Okay, so as soon as he crosses the green line, go ahead and start the timer.
I'm ready. Hang on. I crashed for some reason.
Oh, I don't know. You guys are...
It seems like the gremlins always come out on contest day.
Yeah, I know they do. Tell me about it. All right.
It does that when my wife comes out to look at it too. It's crazy.
What do you need to do?
Just let it reboot.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Yep, we're ready. Okay. A nice, smooth robot. BELCH is definitely a good robot. Running right straight to the cone. We'll see how it goes. Hey Scott,
Yes, sir.
What's the speed that you typically do your robot at? Fast
As
is
far as
it?
a linear, like feet per minute, I don't know. It's just an internal PWM number.
Yeah. So what do you typically run it at, like half
That's
speed?
about 80% speed.
80%? Okay.
I think, well, it goes up to 4,000, and right now I think it's at 3,500. So yeah, it'd be probably more than 80%.
Yeah.
But, see, now it's found the cone.
Now this is one actually using Pixie Cam for the final approach.
No,
RTK?
actually, no, I use my distance sensors.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's not humping it. Doing a good job so far. Did he touch it, Steve? Keep the timer going. Oh, it started up again. 123 and something. Yeah, keep the timer on for the whole course. Okay, so Steve, he's going to an intermediate waypoint.
Stop.
There it is.
No, that was obstacle.
Obstacle. Okay.
I thought it was. There's the waypoint.
Okay, there's the waypoint. Whoop. Okay, that's when it picked up the cone, right? Yeah. Oh, a little bit too tough. It did kind of a final jerk right there. Okay, it's backing up. Oh my gosh. The third cone has always been Scott's problem cone, and have to see how he's approaching it this year.
It'll be okay.
Okay, great. Its obstacle avoidance has popped in a couple of times. Now, is that because it's seeing the sudden rise in the grass?
It's probably seeing the grass. See how it's going around the grass right there?
Yeah.
So, yeah, those time of flight are really sensitive.
Yeah.
But they're highly
Okay.
accurate as well.
All right. Okay. Oh, nope, 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 not yet.
Give it a second. It'll rotate around here. Come on, baby. Give me 9. Give me 9. There we go.
9 points.
Yeehaw.
Yeah.
Goal accomplished.
Okay. Great. What you think, Scott? Good.
Burps are better than turds.